KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Christmas turkey sausage rolls. Okay, these are nice and easy to do, nice and festive. Alright, first thing I've got is around about 60 grams worth of butter. You can use unsalted or salted, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to add in the equivalent of around about 2.5 to 3 cloves of garlic in that. Now I'm simply just going to put that into the microwave about 30 to 40 seconds. Here I've got a few slices of bread, about 3 slices of bread. It's a little bit old, so it's not going to matter. We're going to season that up with some ground black pepper, just like that. And the other thing I'm going to add in is about a teaspoon's worth of beef bouillon powder. That can go straight in as well. Going to give that a bit of a blitz up, and I'm going to do this in 2 steps. I'm not going to overload my machine, so we're simply going to put that into a nice large bowl and repeat that process all over again. Alright, here I've got about 4 rashers of bacon. I'm going to give that a rough chop up, or just like that, and it's going to take a bit of ease off my food processor. I'm going to put that into my little chippy chopper, as we affectionately call it, and blitz that up just like I'm doing right there. I'm going to end up with this really nice bacon mince. Add that to your breadcrumb mix, just like that. Okay, and if you haven't tried making your own sausage rolls before, they are fun. I'm going to get 1 onion. I'm going to finely dice that, just for starters. And as you can see, our chippy chopper is already out again, and I'm just going to add that onion to that remaining bacon mix that is sitting in there. Give that a blitz up for about 30 to 40 seconds and add that to our ever growing mix in our bowl. Alright, just like that. And here is our butter garlic melted combination. I'm going to add that straight in like that, and we're going to give that a bit of a mix through as well, just very quickly and briefly, so that bread can soak up that beautiful garlic. Alright, nice and easy so far. Now, 500 grams of turkey mince. I use a mix of breast and thigh, and I'm just going to put that in. Make sure you remove that paper, because I've tried eating that before and it's terrible. I've got some cranberry sauce, and I've got around about 3/4 of a jar, so I'm just going to add all of that in. I want a nice fruity flavour. Now we can start mixing all those components together, and we're going to end up with our filling for our sausage rolls, our Christmas turkey sausage rolls. Alright, store-bought puff pastry, and all we're simply going to do now is just lay out our mixture that we have made just in a line straight along one edge, and try and get everything nice and tight together if you possibly can. Alright, so we're just going to do that, and it won't take you very long to make these up at all. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees C, so we're ready to go on that front. So we're going to add our beautiful sausage roll mixture just like that straight in, and all we need to do now is roll this up. Now as I roll, we're going to get rid of that blue plastic. I've tried cooking with that before, and it makes a terrible mess of the oven, and a terrible mess of your guts as well. Alright, roll that up just like that. Now I normally get 2 rolls per sheet. I'm making these ones a little bit thicker, so I'm going to have to get a little bit creative with my pastry, but don't worry, it's all going to work out in the end. Right, so we're simply just going to cut those with a knife, just like that, and we can set those aside for a little bit later on. Alright, let's continue making up the rest of our sausage rolls. I've had to join a little bit of pastry together. Don't worry, it works. Okay, so just keep rolling these up and slicing them off, and until all of your stuffing mixture is all completely used up. Right, I'm going to make some traditional size sausage rolls here. I'm going to cut those in half, put those aside, just like that. Okay, and you don't really need to see me cutting up a million sausage rolls, or however many I made, but in the meantime, Mrs. KP has made up an egg wash for me. Now I'm going to add a little bit of air holes straight into our pastry, just like that on top. And Mrs. KP has made me up a nice egg wash, so all we have to do now is simply mix that, or put that egg wash straight over the top. That's just an egg with a little bit of beaten milk and or water all together. Just give that a light little coating. It's going to help make these go real nice and golden brown. Okay, now we've made this as festive as possible using all those beautiful flavours that we would normally do on Christmas Day with the turkey. Alright, there they are. They're going into the oven anywhere between 25 to 35 minutes, depending on how thick you make them, and just wait for them to go golden brown, and they should be alright. Now it's time to plate up. How good do those look? Yum. Now, you can serve this up with any sides that you want. I'm going to go just a traditional old school takeaway style that I normally would, and that is a few sausage rolls, some crinkle cut fries, just like that. And I'm actually going to finish this off just with a little bit of packet gravy. You don't have to make your own. We've already made enough of our own for this nice little takeaway dish, just like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. I'm trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a nice little quick takeaway meal like this, well, first of all, leave a comment, because I love reading and responding to them. But more importantly, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Christmas turkey sausage rolls, and I will catch you next time. And Merry Christmas from Mrs. KP and I, and we'll see you in a few days. Bye.